Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing the struggle is real on the control balance on the mat. So thank you to the request of control balance on the mat. Andrea, Maida, Pilates, and I could not believe we had not taken this on in our Struggle is Real series. So we love your requests and keep them coming. The control balance on the mat is towards the end of the order. If you're wondering where it is, most group classes often don't do it because you are up on your neck, so it's not for everybody. But I'm going to show it to you, and I'm also going to talk about some different things to keep in mind to let you know that you're even getting yourself there. There's a lot of exercises that this exercise is part of, so you probably are more ready for it than you think, unless you have some sort of neck or shoulder injury. So typically, let's do the exercise. You're here, right? So a lot of people, I see them like this, where their arms are resting on the mat and their hips are not square. Well, that would make this very much a struggle. So when I get into it, I have my arms down by my side. I take my legs over and I lift my hips up. Then I circle my arms around. I grab one leg, but I don't let that foot touch the floor. I actually don't even let my arms touch the floor. My shoulders are, and then I take this leg that's free and I reach it up, and then I look at this hip that I'm holding on to, and I try to move that butt up too. So now my hips are square. And this leg is not going away from me, it's going up. Okay, so that makes it easier for me to stay on my shoulders. Then when I switch, both my legs are reaching up as my shoulders reach down. And then I have something to stand on. Again, this leg reaches up, this hip hike pulls up, and then I keep reaching both legs up as I push my heart down, right? So that's the exercise. Nothing is moving away, right? I'm not trying to take this leg forward. Now, if you're like, okay, the struggle is still real, Lesley, thank you for those cues. So just so you know, when you're doing single straight leg stretch on the mat, if you're truly doing this correctly, if someone were to push down on that leg, I should come up, right? If I'm doing this correctly, if someone were to push that leg, they wouldn't be able to push it to me like this. They would actually instead be pushing me over into my control balance. So you should be so connected in this exercise right here that someone could just literally rock you around. And that's a really good test if you're getting ready for control balance. If when they push down that leg, the leg just pushes down, or they push up on that leg, the leg just pushes to you, then you know that you're not connected. That's why you're going to have a big struggle in the control balance series. So how do you practice those exercises? How do you get connected in those exercises when you have nothing to really help you? Well, I would strongly encourage you to use tree and single leg elephant on the reformer exercise training tools for those mat exercises, because you have a strap, you have a carriage, you have springs, things to press into or reach through, so that way you have a feeling of what your muscles should feel like when you're on the mat. That's what I would definitely do. Other things that you could also work on is on the one to chair, pull up single leg. That's really going to help you find that round shape in your upper back and the reach through your legs to make this happen. It's just upside down. Then you can also do some leg springs in the air. Airplane is a really excellent tool for this because it teaches you how to stand on your shoulders and move your legs through space. I would highly recommend that. Then I would also do tower on your Cadillac, single leg tower specifically, so you could really learn how to reach into one foot with that resistance of the springs and see how your hips handle that. So I think that's a good amount of homework to make the struggle less of a problem for you and to find something fun in it. But honestly, go to that mat and just have someone push on your leg and pull on it. If you don't stay connected, you're not going to stay connected when you're doing the control balance on the mat, and then you can go work on that other homework. All right. I'm Lesley Logan. For more Struggle is Real series, make sure you check out Andrea Maida Pilates channel. Every single week we drop a new video for you based on your requests. So send them in the comments below or wherever you find us online. And I would love for you to join me in my online mat and reformer classes on onlinepilatesclasses.com if you're looking for a way to incorporate these things into your practice. Have an amazing day.